Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to use and connect Shopify right here with Teespring, and now it's actually known as Spring Launcher. So if you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. So as you can see right here on my Shopify, I have this integrations right here, this dashboard that I have. So what I can do is I can actually head over in here to the apps. So here's my app, so just click on that. And then when you click on your apps, you should be able to see in here a new search bar. And this search bar right here will help you search for the apps that you need. So for example, search in here for Teespring. So once you have search in here for Teespring, head over and then just click on this Teespring right here. Once you have clicked on that, it will open in here a new window that you can use in order to search for this particular app. So as you can see right here, there's a lot of results, but there's no Teespring right here or Spring Launcher. That is because Spring Launcher has been removed on Shopify App Store. But no worry, because you can head over to a new tab, then head over to teespring.com, and from in there you should just be able to sign up or register an account. So as you can see right here, I've already registered mine. So what we can do instead is we can actually just head over, and then first let's try to actually make a product. To make a product, head over and click on this one. So this is the create product, so just click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, it will actually load and it will show you the actual next page that you have on this specific application. So as you can see, I'm already there. So what I can do is I can actually just look for products, like for example, t-shirts that they have, classic crew t-shirt, comfort tee, this hoodies right here, as well as mugs. There have a lot of things or options that you can choose from. You can also make this digital or apparel. It actually depends on what you want. So for example, let's make a corduroy hat. So what you can do is you can click on this specific thing right here, and then this will open the design editor for you. So for this one, let's just wait for this. And as you can see, since you already chose a product, you can now choose or proceed to the next step, which is adding a design. So in here, you can upload or drop your image design right here. So let's head over and try to upload. So let's click on this one. And then from in there, just try to upload a picture. So for me, I'll just upload this picture of a really cute dog. Then click on open right here. Then as you can see, this will load like this in order to actually make our product. So as you can see right here, it already made our product and it only uploaded that. So you can actually just resize that to whatever you wanted here. So this is what it looks like. This is the actual embroidery product pattern that they recommend. Once you head over and then try to resize that, it will actually not make a good quality out of your picture. So make sure that you choose a really good area for yourself. So under in here, you should be able to see in here the thread colors. Like for example, you can make this gray right here into a brown, and you can also make this white right here into another color that they offer. So for example, let's try to use this black right here, but since you try to use black, it will blend into the actual color of our product. So what you can do next is you can actually just head over and then try to create a product using this actual product picture. So in here, you can see the embroidery type. So let's head back and just click on this see all designs right here. And now from in there, you can see that we have this right here, our design. So you can click on the product from there. And under the product from in there, you should be able to see some more options. Alternatively, if you want to add text, you can just head over and click on this text mark right here. And in here, you can choose your text presets. So for example, let's choose this preset right here. And then as you can see, it will actually load like that, and you can also change the color of the text that you choose from. So for example, let's make this all color white, since it will actually present itself from in there. So you can head over and then click on this, click on right click, you can duplicate or delete that however you want. So for this right here, you can also quick design your design right here. You can also delete that by clicking on that specific text. Now, once you head over and then just click on this, you can also just arrange the layers however you want. Now, if you want to edit out the text, you can head over and then just click on it right here. So we have here the word here. So let's name it Poppy. Let's say something like that. And then in here, you can see this, we have another text box. So click on this one. And in here, it says your text. So let's say in here, my cute Poppy. So it actually looks like that, really cute. So you can click on this one and you can change your color right here if you want to as well. So once you have done that, you can actually just head over and from in there click on continue, but you already have the option to make a file or upload another file or actually make a clip art. So for that right now, I just click on this continue right here. And then in here, if you're trying to have an error, make sure to just adjust the size or the recommendations that they gave to you. So you can also adjust the actual text color that they have right here. And as you can see, when you see this good right here, which is the good flag, then you can actually just make that possible your design. So in here, you can see the mock-ups for that. You can also just process the mock-ups for the product that you have created. This is what it looks like. When you click on next, this is what it looks like when it's worn by women, and this is what it looks like when it's worn by men. So let's head back to our design. And then in here, click on continue on here on the sidebar right there. So click on continue. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see right here this third step, which is the listing details. So just enter in here the titles. For example, let's name this My Cute Puppy Hat. And on the description right here, just add in a description that you want to add right here in order to properly describe your product. So I'll just say something like this since this is just a tutorial. And then here you can set your pricing. It can be a desired retail price from the US or Europe. And they also have right here the price for product visibility for them. So for example, let's just price it at around $30 and it will look like this. And you can also edit the URL handle, and the visibility needs to be public, and you can add this to your store that you have. So once you're done with everything, you should be able to just click on this launch listing right there. So right here, let's click on launch listing. And then this will load like this, and it will prepare our listing. So this will take some time or some minutes or some seconds depending on how big the upload picture that you have uploaded. So as you can see right here, the product I have is actually live, so I can actually just share that URL. So the next thing we need to do is we just need to connect our actual Teespring into the Shopify that we have. So what you can do is you can actually head over to this right here, which is the integrations. So in here, you should be able to see the dashboard of Teespring. So on the integrations right here, you can see the integrations for TikTok, Beacons, Discord, and all of these things right here. What we need to click on is we need to scroll down until you can see in here the social selling tool guides, and they have here a process that can use Instagram in order to successfully integrate it. So just head over and click on the C guide, and then this will look like this. So you can just head over and add a clickable link to your products in IG stories. So this is particularly helpful if your actual Shopify is connected to your Instagram. So you can head over to your Shopify, then click on the search right here and click on the apps, and under there just head over and search in here for Instagram. So in here, once you have done that, head over and then just choose this Instagram shop and Facebook shop. So for me, I already installed that. So what you can do is you can just install that yourself. And then once you have installed this, if your Teespring is actually related or connected to your Instagram and your Instagram is connected to your Shopify, then your Shopify and your Teespring are successfully connected. But just in case, head over to your products. And if you already have a product right here, just head over and click on the product that you want to edit. And then in here, since we already copied the link earlier of the product that we have created, we can just paste that right here. This is our link of our Teespring, and then from in there, just click on the save button right above here. So click on that, and then this will save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.